Hello everyone.
Happy December 29th. Today we celebrate Pepper Pot's Tick Tock Day and the joy of year-end reflection. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details.
Know you've been a good friend.
It's National Pepper Pot Day. A hearty, spicy stew with deep cultural roots. A great gift could be a soup seasoning set, a rustic stew pot, or a comfort food recipe book. Have you tried Pepper Pot? Let's stir the comments. It's Tick Tock Day. A reminder to finish the tasks we've put off all year. A thoughtful gift could be a productivity planner, a desk organizer, or a motivational notepad. What's one thing you still want to finish? Let's wrap it up in the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. With only 2 days left in the year, the countdown is ticking louder than ever. It's still need to do day. A playful nudge to complete lingering goals. A sweet gift could be a goal-setting journal, a sticky note set, or a mini desk timer. What's still on your list? Let's finish strong in the comments. Don't forget to check out the video description. You'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering celebrations for January 26th to 31st. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching, everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.